A judge's chambers in Mississippi. The FBI has been called in to help catch a suspected criminal. But this isn't just any crook they're trying to trap. Rather, it's a famous lawyer. He's part of a growing cancer, the epidemic of unjust lawsuits in America. It's a cancer that damages our economy, our society, and even our faith in the legal system. It's a cancer that just about anybody can identify.
Most of us now, when we go to the courtroom, we feel that we are not going to be treated fair.
Because of the state of our legal system, it makes it very, very difficult for a small business owner to stay in business.
Being a farmer, I have to have $1 million of liability insurance, which I think that's just crazy.
I think that people interact differently because they're worried about the possibility of being sued.
Some of the lawyers around the South has been in the federal courts and things. They hadn't been behaving.
Doctors are afraid to stop on the side of the road when there's an accident because they don't want to take legal responsibility.
There's huge social costs, and I'm not sure that the costs don't outweigh the benefits.
Teachers are scared to put an arm around a crying child because someone may claim that it was an inappropriate touching. It's how it affects everyone in their daily lives. So when people get the idea that anyone can sue for anything, it means that some angry person can drag you through years of litigation, and people begin to be fearful.
And that fear is real. Today, every 2 seconds, a lawyer is filing another claim.
Let's make them pay.
That adds up to more than 15 million lawsuits filed in state courts every year. Not all of them legitimate.
Law has become a business, not a profession.
We have a system that is dysfunctional, that is uncertain in terms of outcome. It's a system in which fraud often flourishes, but it's a system by lawyers, for lawyers, in lawyers' interest.
The system is largely due to the efforts of tort lawyers. Tort lawyers specialize in suing on the sole basis of injury.
What happened in America is that we created a legal structure that allowed lawyers to claim almost anything in any amount. And the idea was that society would be fairer if you allowed people to sue for anything.
For the past 3 decades, the American justice system has seen a tsunami of lawsuits. And some tort lawsuits involve thousands of injured people suing a company or industry. They are either called mass torts or class actions.
The class action, when a large group of people who feel that they've been wronged band together, or in many instances when they are recruited by a lawyer to form a class action.
The larger the class or number of people, the more pressure lawyers can put on a company to settle. They don't necessarily have to prove injury to a court. The result, you get some money, or perhaps some coupons you'll never use, and the lawyer pockets a substantial fee.